Namaskar. It has been a privilege for us to welcome today the people from the old age home, mother, father, sisters from the different background, different places. And we have been associated with this old age home for a very long time. The name of this old age home is Kashi Dham Vrad Ashram Trust, and it's in a city known as Bareilly. And today I really feel privileged that we were able to call all these old people and have a visit to our factory. We felt really blessed that they came here because they gave a lot of blessings for sure. And when they came here, they were so happy that they visited for the first time in some industry. We gave them a warm welcome. We took them to our conference hall where they sat, and then we discussed a lot of things about their family issues, their problems that happened with them. And everybody, means that was sometime wrong type of a question we asked, but we really want to ask them why this happened with them, what happened with them, and who left them. And surprisingly, all the kids जिनको उन्होंने पाला था बचपन से, to all those small kids who was being taken care by these parents, they left them to these old age houses, saying that now they cannot take care of them. But they shared with us gracefully, they shared that what happened with them. And then we said that, okay, don't worry, we are with them. And they were very happy in the old age home where they were residing. Mr. Gopal Agrawal is the owner of that old age home. And he was taking the name of that person, that he's really taking care of these people. And finally, when after the discussions, we invited them that let's go and have a visit because we want to see the smile on their faces. They were serious when they talked about their family because they started crying actually. And I don't want that they should go from our industry crying and being a sad people. So we invited them that, okay, let's bring some smile on your face. For bringing that smile, we thought that, okay, let's have a trip in which we are going to discuss about how the industry is being governed by us, how we work, so that, means after that, we went to FMCG, the fast moving consumer good, that is La Monk brand, which is our brand. We told them that how we make the products, and they were so happy, means they were so happy, and because they were able to understand how the soap is made, how we make the shampoo, shower gel, how we make the perfumes, how we make the lip balms, how we make the hair oils and everything. Even I offered them that we can grow your beard, and they started laughing. After seeing this smile, I got motivated. Even I got more energetic. I thought that let's make this trip a little bit more bigger, but it was not possible because these innocent people were so old that they got tired. So I thought that, okay, let's go back to the conference room. We went to the conference room and they were smiling. They were really laughing. We'd shared a lot of things all together. And finally, in the end, we donated a very handsome amount to this Kashi Dham Vrad Ashram. The owner, we handed over this to the owner of the Kashi Dham so that these people can be taken care more carefully, because what they need, everything is being catered by money, right? We donated a very good amount to them. It's approximately 2 lakh rupees we donated to them, and we were happy to donate, and we promised that in future we are going to donate more so that these old age people, these people can be catered more carefully, more politely, and what they need, it should be catered of. And we also said that we are going to be there every Saturday. We are going to meet these old people and going to play with them, enjoy with them, spend time with them, because they need our time. They need time from us. They need care from us. We should not forget that they are our mother, fathers. We should not forget that these people need care, because when we were small, we should not forget that when we were kid, these were the people who took care of us. Now it's our chance. It's our responsibility to take care of them. Don't do any stupid things, young people. Take care of your parents. Take care of their blessings, because their blessings are much more than a God. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.